Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel, and for today I'm going to teach you about YAML files. So for this episode I'm going to use Visual Studio Code, and if you are using the same IDE, please install YAML extension. And I'm going to open my Explorer, and I'm going to close this. And I'm going to create one file for the purpose of this episode, call it my. Can be YAML or without a, doesn't matter. Alright. So what's the point with YAML format and why you should learn it? First reason, it's because nowadays it's used often. So it's actually smart to know such a thing. And second reason, it's extremely simple to learn. So actually there is not much for you to worry about. You could learn YAML in 2 minutes and become master of it in 4. But now, why YAML is used for and why it's created? Because as you know, we already have XML and JSON. And nowadays XML is mostly used for description of data, while JSON is mostly used for transferring data. So where is the place for YAML in all of that? YAML is actually more easy for humans to read than both XML and JSON. Therefore very handy for configuration files that should be written by humans and executed by machines. And it's very similar to JSON, only thing that you have to do is to forget about quotation marks and squirrely brackets. So every YAML file should start with 3 dashes. Key value pairs are going to be stored in single line. So for example, if I want to create YAML files that is going to describe some student, I'm going to put name of it, then column and space. Now in this case, name is key, and the rest of this line I'm going to use for value. And as you see, you don't need quotation marks. So next I'm going to put age, column, space, and 27 for example. Next, married, column, false. As you see, both in case of strings, integers and boolean values, we don't need quotation marks. But now, how to create arrays? I'm going to create the array courses. And in order to provide first element, we are going to start another line. But in order to say that element from this line, it's part of key from previous line, we have to provide tab. So this is more like Python philosophy. And in order to provide element, we have to provide a dash and space and now name of element. So IOT. Then I'm going to add one more, C dash plus plus. And now I'm going to add element that is going to contain another 2 elements. So I'm going to add another array with dash space Android column, and in next line we are going to have another tab dash space Java and one more dash space Kotlin. So as you see, hierarchy of data is provided by indentation. And now next element is going to be in the same line with courses. I'm going to provide works. This is also going to be array, but of different type. Of course, we need tab. And now I'm going to provide elements in key value fashion. My first ESP32 project dated 2016. And one more. We are going to have 2 elements now, so we need another tab in the next line. First edition, column, 2018, second edition. My mistake, it's 1D. And second edition, 2022. So guys, that's all. And as I said, you are going to learn it in 2 minutes and you are going to become master of it in 4. And finally, if you are satisfied with this content, please like, subscribe and see ya!